Hi, I'm Kayla with WTI, and if you have a young one who is maybe learning Spanish, this is an awesome book. It's called Te amo sol, te amo luna. I love you, sun. I love you, moon. And I ordered this book after my son's Spanish teacher had read it to the class. I thought it was such a cute book and very simple to help little ones start to learn Spanish. What I like about this book the most is each page has a beautiful illustration, and it also has the Spanish and English translation of the object in the picture. So this one here, Te amo sol, and then it says, I love you, sun, and it shows the sun right there. What's really great about this book is it's predictive as well. So when I'm reading it with my son, because he is just learning a few basic Spanish words, he can see the picture and it can help trigger whatever that word is in Spanish. So when we read this together, I often point to the picture when it comes time, and he's able to recall that Spanish word to memory, which is an awesome learning feature. So if you have a little one who is learning Spanish too, I highly suggest this cute little book, Te amo sol, te amo luna. I love you, sun. I love you, moon. But that's just our point of view.